Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Yes, we are back with Uthando Nestembu, and this is an opinion that I posted on my TikTok. Please do enjoy. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So, yesterday's episode of Uthando Nestembu bazalwa. Akira sabethana no arsa wabon. Asilungiseni le your fave uMacele, right? Asilungiseni very fast asishayani. uMacele, because remember when uMakhwela was being collected, they said uMacele does not know. She is not expecting uMakhwela, right? I don't know if maybe I heard it wrong. And then Musa further said he wanted it to be a surprise for the both of them. Then wangena laphana wathi ngicela ukuthi ngimlethe ngimfake ashaya ziphi sakamna kwethu. Sharp, fine. So right ngaleyo part. Why did she then come with the flowers out? Because flowers are very delicate. They can't be kept in that plastic for whenever. Shouthi umsela kube sekamprepareile ukuthi ngizomletha ngedate so. Just that thina bafuna ukuthi sibone ngathi ayipreparewanga. I don't know, ngitshela. I-blanket, yes, it can be prepared in advance. Neduku, that's fine. But the flowers are giving me a red flag. But nonetheless, girl gave Makhwela i-blanket wamothi duku umsele kwathi sengizothemba wena ukuthi ungintroducele yena athi I'm not your mother. Ngithi hamba mayeni. Phela umayeni uyomfostile ukuthi amkhumbuze uMacele ukuthi kahle kahle what is your position in this relationship? In this five-tangular, if there's such a thing. This is your position. Because girl, nana le makukunyana, kayithola mrata mara nana le. Wabona? Umayeni on that table wamkhumbuza ukuthi phela lo akusumamezala wakho. This is not your like lo akusumamako. Kusumamezala kithi. So at least uMacele uyithathile wayifaka baby cop. Girl was introducing, but there's a snippet where she was doing introductions yaga Makhwela to the kids. And did you see ukuthi uMakhwela no sine amabhuzum? Did you see ukuthi uMakhwela no sine amabhuzum? And uMakhwela usamile ekuthenini ukuthi akahlangananga no baba elokhunje. And we know ukuthi in most communities like this, phela mina ngibuye emakhaya ko Winterveld, right? Ko Gandalf. Ko raitsane, right or hamamang, hona le ngwana mo so. Ha ngwana hamamang, hona le ngwana mo so. Like we all know distant, even ka names. We don't call each other's houses kara habo mamang. No. Ko muchi, ko twala, ko mushebi, ko nyamagazi, ko mqethe, ko solwane, wankalwanye. That's how we call each other. So emakhaya KZN, because they are rooted in tradition and culture, they should know each of their houses by surname. So shuthi uMakhwela isename yakibo ubani? Angazi guys, i-calculating. Moral utladiwe ka rena. Alright, sharp. Sisuke lapho. Did you see how kule snippet how uMacele presented uMakhwela, and then there was a smile on uGello uMpilonhle's face, but ku diary room bekathi if yena beka usine bekadla umuntu ngempumulo or bekadla impumulo yomuntu. Guys, nithi kumnandi esithenjini. Angazi, but ke nakho umsele ku iranga utsena sakeng. Utsena dichoming. Wetsi king. I hope ukuthi usine is as spiteful as uSamke is. Usine, I wish ukuthi angene ubaba kaMakhwela. Naye abe uMrs Khwela lo abe uMrs umsele kube ibalance. Indlule lapho. I don't know, nithini. I'm not interested about the boys. Mina indaba yami la iku relationship. Is this relationshiping?